Kumachielo en ni kambi mar Coca-Cola e pacho kaendi koriwore kod mano mar Coastal Bottlers Limited oyawo wuodhe mag Coca-Cola Christmas Caravan ma bende oyawo ayanga kinde gi eki mag nyasi mag Christmas e boma no ero ma Mombasa koda ka gwenge mamoko Mombasa kono ero. Campaign ma kamano ero ma bende oyangi kaka Real Magic Christmas Campaign geto yango gigo eko madongo kendo mabeyo matimore ka ji kata ka familia obiro kanyakla e kinde nyasi. E kinde makamano ero jogo eko matiyo kod math mar Coca-Cola biro yudo offers kanyakla kod discounts mag ka ginyiewo math go eko mag Coca-Cola. Kama gi eki gin ber ma bende kambi mar Coca-Cola bende okelo ne jopiny e kinde gi eki ma oganda ikore ne dhi nyasi mag Christmas ma higa ni eri.
So for now, let me just say thank you very much to everyone for coming here tonight. We are very happy to have all of you here, our esteemed consumers and customers. Coca-Cola is very happy that today we are all alive, despite all the challenges that we have in the year, in the past 18 months. It's been a very difficult and tough year, but we have a gift of life, and today we are here. So we thank God for being here, and we are happy to be here today. Also, we want to say a big thank you to our consumers for continually participating and enjoying our product, and then to our customers for being great partners this year and the past years. So I want to say a big thank you. One thing that I want to assure each and everyone here, and that is the assurance that we want to give everyone, that this season, Coastal Bottlers and Coca-Cola is ready to supply you with any quantity of Coke product that you need to be able to enjoy your season. And we have all the logistics and everything to make sure that you enjoy your season. So be rest assured that there will not be any shortage, there will not be any issue, and that you have continuous flow of Coca-Cola product throughout the season and in the coming years. And so I also want to say that, look, Christmas is all about giving, and that is why we are here to give and to share with you. So as you also live here, carry that same spirit and share a bottle of Coke or a can of Coke, a PET of Coke with a friend and with a brother to make the season a real magic season.
Thank you, Mombasa. I know it has been a long year. Many people this year have lost their lives, have lost their livelihoods through COVID. We know it has been difficult. But one of the most amazing stories about this period is just how many people came together to help each other. And that really has been the real magic about going through a tough challenge, but being there for everybody. And we do not take it for granted that each and every single one of us is here today. Mombasa and the whole of the coast region is really important to Coca-Cola. We also know as we get into this festive season, we've actually been seeing many people along the coast region, and you're going to have a really busy period during this season with many visitors, local, international, all coming down to the coast. My urge of you is to keep safe, enjoy your Coca-Cola, and enjoy the festive season. It has been a long year, but really enjoy the magic of being together to share in the joy of the season. I'd like to thank all the distributors, our bottling partners here at the coast for doing an amazing job this year, supporting the retailers, supporting shops, and really supporting the people of Mombasa. But most importantly, I'd like to thank each and every single one of you for really creating the joy and the magic of the festive season.